Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Instagram. If you want to follow someone or if you want to send SMS to a particular person, then this will appear. So how can you fix this? Just simply go back from here, and after that let me tell you that you have to open Instagram, and from here you have to tap on your profile here, and then you have to tap on three lines, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on settings, and then you have to tap on privacy, and from here you have to tap on limits. So firstly you have to turn off this toggle. If this is turned on, then you have to turn it off. So you have to turn off your limits and then go back from here, and after that what you need to do is just simply open Instagram again, and then you have to report a problem. Then you have to tap on this, and then you have to tap on three lines again, and you have to tap on settings, and then you have to tap on help, and then you have to tap on report a problem, and from here you have to tap on report a problem again, and then let me tell you that you have to explain about your problem. So after that what you need to do is just simply tap on gallery, and firstly let me tell you that you have to take screenshot of your problem. So from here you have to write this one, so it was also given in that description, and then you have to tap on gallery. It will redirect to your gallery, and from there you have to select your screenshot, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on submit. So and after that your limits will be removed from Instagram. So that's it guys for today's video. If that was useful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.